jetty used to be here.
Yeah?
But they tore it. They built the new one up there.
Okay. Hi, honey. Don't tickle me because I'm gonna drop my phone. Ang fresh, the water is fresh. I can smell the ocean. Ang ganda ng ocean. Fresh na fresh. Pero ayaw ko pa mag-swimming kasi baka may pating. Ganda ng lugar. Hello, Australia. And Queensland only. We are in Queensland on a Whitsunday.